Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel, and for today, here's another update of our succulents. It's springtime in China. Ayan, so talagang it's the growing season of our succulents and I can really see obvious changes sa ating mga succulents. I started some new growth. Ayan, and after watering them a couple of weeks ago, nag-start na maging plump and chubby ulit yung ating mga succulents. So far, all of our succulents look very healthy. And last time may nagtanong if gumagamit ba ako ng grow light sa aking mga succulents. Well, actually I don't use any grow light. Talagang natural light lang yung ginagamit ko. Ayan, so they are next to this very big window. So yun yung gusto ko dito sa aking apartment. Kahit pa paano, meron siyang malaking window. And talagang walang harang. Maganda yung spacing ng mga apartments dito, kaya hindi naharangan yung sunlight. Yeah, so very nice na rin ang ating weather, and sooner or later mas iinit pa dito nga sa China, and yun nga yung pinaghahandaan ko kasi syempre as you know, kulob tong aking setup and they are very prone sa fungus, and so I'm checking if may mga fungus na nga ba yung ating mga succulents. And so far, okay naman sila. Even if na I didn't spray any fungicide sa kanila. Ayan. So, isa-isahin natin some of my succulents na talagang may changes after watering them. Like for example, ito. So, this one is our Agavoides. So, I think we've got 8 different varieties of Agavoides here, and if napanood nyo yung time na nag-repot ako dito, talagang token sizes lang sila, as in mas maliliit pa dyan, and they are not really like this, parang yan, ganyan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pero may spacing pa sila in between. But right now, talagang after watering them, I can really see a lot of changes, and siguro sooner or later talagang ma-occupy niya na or ma-cover niya na itong buong pot. Ayan, this one, under the sun. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging color nito pag talagang na-stress siya. Yan, this is actually one of my favorite na succulents sa lahat. Hindi pa ito nadiligan kasi I just really enjoy yung kanyang stress na color. And believe it or not, nung nabili ko tong succulent na to, mas maliit siya and the color was actually yellow. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit siya naging red. So, siguro depende na rin sa season. Look at this. Ito yung mga succulents na ano lang sila eh. Parang, ang bili ko lang dito is 10 pesos each. Ito, 10 pesos yan. 10, 10, 10, 10. And, ayan. So far, nagsilakihan na sila dyan sa kanyang pot na yan. Here are more of our succulents. Another favorite. I just simply love its color. Our baby fingers. And our Madiba. Look at that. Especially pag top view. Sobrang ganda niyang tignan. So, hindi pa rin natin yan nadiligan. Let's see. Until when natin siya pwedeng hindi diligan. Of course, this one, napaka-chubby niya na, napaka-plump. Look at all of these succulents. Yan. And as you can see there, may aerial roots na. So it means na kulang pa rin siya sa tubig. Diniligan ko na ito lahat parang 2 weeks ago. And I think it's not enough. We need to water them more. Ayan, oh, yung iba dehydrated pa rin talaga. So I need to be watering them again. And ito, I'm not really sure of this succulent. Anong pangalan nitong succulent na ito? I planted it here sa parang carrot na planter. And before, ano siya? Hindi nakataas yung leaves niya. Naka-ano siya, parang naka-flat lang siya. But ngayong spring, napansin ko na naging ganyan yung kanyang leaves. Pataas na siya. So this one is actually it's very strange, very unique kind of succulent. Yan, isa siya sa mga talagang dito ka lang sa China nakita. Of course, our baby toast. Ang dami ko ng baby toast na succulent kasi last time binigyan ulit ako ng aking estudyante ng baby toast. Ayan, this one is variegated. As you can see, yung mga yellow na yon. And it's in this very beautiful planter. Ayan. This one, after natin siya nadiligan, nag-green na ulit siya. Although, pag hindi natin siya nadiligan for a long time and constantly exposed siya dito nga sa ating sunlight, magre-red ulit yan. This is also another strange looking succulent dito sa ating collection. I didn't really expect it na mabubuhay pero nabuhay naman siya. Our Crispate Beauty. Ayan na siya. So, nagpa-flower na rin siya and I think I will be removing that soon. Wala din akong bagong succulents sa ngayon kasi I don't have enough space dito nga sa ating balcony area. Talagang punong-puno na actually itong ating balcony area as of today. And yung iba nga, siningit ko na lang sila dito sa likod. Let me show you. Ayan o. Talagang nasa, ano na sila, nasa may glass na, nakasandal na sila sa glass. Ayan, some of the small succulents are there. Yan. So, another one is ito. I'm not really sure kung ano ba yung nakikita natin, if it's really its flower. Pero kasi nung nag-flower ito, parang purple yung color niya. After nun, naging red. Kaya, very, ano rin to, kakaiba rin yung succulent na yan. Our Minima ba yan? Na succulent. Everything actually. That sila is maganda. Our lovely rose. Biglang ano siya biglang tangkad siya nung nadiligan. Although, parang nag-ethiolate na din siya kasi hindi siya masyadong naarawan. That's the problem pag talagang hindi constant yung kanilang sunlight exposure, including itong ating piggy planter. So, nung tinanim ko ito, talagang dito lang siya. But now, diba, lumaki na sila. And as you can see, talagang kulang sila sa sunlight kasi nag-ethiolate. Look, hindi naman ganyan dapat ang growth ng Tokyo Sun succulent, ng succulent na ito. Dapat ano lang siya maliliit lang siya, ground cover lang siya. Pero ang ganda niyang ang ganda niyang tignan, diba? Very nice. Talagang parang may grass ka dito sa ating balcony area. And what else? Yan. So far, yan yung ating mga succulents. And here, ito yung ating Purple Delight na nilagay natin sa very tall na planter. So ito yung pinaka first time ko na gumawa ay nagtanim ng succulents sa ganyang vase. So far, okay naman siya. I think I need to water it again. And this is the very first time na nakapag-propagate ako ng leaves dito sa China. So I've got 1, 2, and 3. Our string of pearls. Ayan. So yun lang yung pinaka-update ng ating mga succulents for today. And syempre, i-announce na rin natin yung winner ng ating pag-giveaway. Hopefully, yung mapipili na winner would eventually claim na yung kanyang succulents. Ayan, so yan lang muna yung update natin for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.